In this video, I will show you how to connect your Instagram account with your WhatsApp business account without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp business account. Go ahead and click on Tools. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Instagram and Facebook. Go ahead and click on that. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here for Instagram, and it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on Get Started right here. So I'm going to click on Get Started. Then go ahead and click on Connect Account. Successfully, Instagram account connected. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.